This video demonstrates how to use the report migration option in the Analysis Center 3.2 admin console. And this video assumes that you have a basic understanding of Analysis Center and Reporting Center. Analysis Center 3.2 admin console is now loaded with a new feature, Report Migration Utility. This utility will help you to migrate the Analysis Center 2.9 reports to the Reporting Center server in any of the following scenarios after upgrading your machine from 2.9 setup to 3.2 setup, or if you have 2.9 reports in the XML format on your 3.2 machine. Note that you must apply either of the hotfix on the Analysis Center 2.9 setup before exporting the reports and also before upgrading your 2.9 setup to 3.2. For more information, please refer to our online documentation. Now let us see how to use the report migration utility. In this AC 3.2 admin console, you can see a new icon, Migration, in the report management. Click the icon to open the report migration window. Now you can see that there are two options available for the source of reports, Warehouse and XML. If you select Warehouse, all the AC 2.9 reports that are available in the warehouse are displayed. Or if you have AC 2.9 reports available in XML format which are exported from an AC 2.9 machine, you can select this XML option. Now you need to browse to the folder where the XML files are being saved and select the report. You can now see the reports are being loaded from the XML file. Let me migrate the reports from the warehouse. But before you start migrating, you need to specify the reporting center server where you want to migrate these reports. Select one of the authentication methods to connect to the reporting center server. If you select SQL authentication, then you need to specify the credential of the SQL Server's account of your reporting center. But let me keep Windows authentication. Now click Migrate to start the migration process. You can also minimize the window and check the progress in the progress bar. To go back to the report migration window, just click on the progress bar. So you can see that the reports are migrated successfully from the warehouse. Similarly, you can also migrate the reports from the XML file. Now let me go to the reporting center console to see the reports that I just migrated. So you can see the demo folder and this has the migrated reports. Now let me run one of the reports. So you can now view the report that is migrated using the Analysis Center 3.2 admin console. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching, and for more information, refer to our online documentation.